Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. For those of you who are new here, on this channel we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'm going to show you a guide on how to make a jump scare in Roblox Studio like the Mimic. So if you want to know how to do it, just keep on watching. Creating a jump scare in Roblox Studio involves a combination of scripting, sound effects, and visual effects to surprise the scare players. To make a jump scare similar to the mimic, you can follow these steps. First, create the mimic model. Design or obtain a scary model for the mimic character. You can create it in a 3D modeling software or use a pre-made scary assets from the Roblox library or other sources. Set up the mimic part. Place the mimic model in your game world where you want the jump scare to occur. You can put it behind a hidden wall, inside a closed door, or any other location that surprises players when revealed. Script the jump scare. In a script or local script object, write the logic to trigger the jump scare. This can involve using proximity check to detect when a player gets close to the mimic or when specific conditions are met. Add sound effects. To enhance the scare effect, add scary sound effects to the jump scare. You can use the sound object in Roblox Studio to play creepy music, eerie noises, or sudden screams when the jump scare is triggered. Apply visual effects. Make the jump scare visually impactful by adding screen effects or sudden changes in lighting. You can use the bloom effect or blur effect objects to create a spooky atmosphere during the jump scare. And lastly, the jump scare. Test the jump scare in Roblox Studio to ensure that the effects play as expected and create the intended scare effect. Remember that jump scares can be intense and startling for players, so use them sparingly and consider adding warnings or cues to prepare players for the jump scare. Additionally, keep in mind that the scare level should be appropriate for your game's target audience. And that's it for this video. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day!